इसे वैसे ही रहने दो। लेट इट बी द वे इट इज। लेट इट बी द वे इट इज। मैंने सोनम से इसके बारे में पूछा। आई आस्क्ड सोनम अबाउट इट। आई आस्क्ड सोनम अबाउट इट। तो क्या चल रहा है आजकल? सो व्हाट आर यू अप टू दीज डेज? सो व्हाट आर यू अप टू दीज डेज? क्या तुमने सुना जो मैंने सुना? डिड यू हियर व्हाट आई हर्ड? डिड यू हियर व्हाट आई हर्ड? उसने मेरे लिए कभी कुछ किया? Did he ever do anything for me? Did he ever do anything for me? उसने कुछ नहीं किया। He didn't do anything. He did not do anything. पता लगाओ कि वो हर दिन कहाँ जाता है। Find out where he goes every day. शर्माओ मत, थोड़ा और ले लो। Don't feel shy. Have some more. Don't feel shy. Have some more. इसे कल तक मुझे भेज देना। Send it to me by tomorrow. Send it to me by tomorrow. उसे किसी भी कीमत पर मत बताना। Don't tell him at any cost. Don't tell him at any cost. कुछ दिनों तक वहां मत जाना। Don't go there for some days. Don't go there for some days. तुमसे मेरे बारे में किसने पूछा? Who asked you about me? Who asked you about me? यहां से स्कूल बहुत दूर है। It is far away from here to a school. It is far away from here to a school. यहां कोई नहीं है। There is no one here. There is no one here. मैं उससे कई बार मिल चुका हूं। I have met him several times. I have met him several times. कुत्ते को अंदर मत आने देना। Don't let the dog in. Don't let the dog in. मैं कल सारा दिन सोती रही। I was sleeping all day yesterday. I was sleeping all day yesterday. सनग्लासेस रखना मत भूलना। Don't forget to keep sunglasses. Don't forget to keep sunglasses. वो कभी अपना बटुआ नहीं भूल सकता। He can't ever forget his wallet. He can't ever forget his wallet. मैं वहां खरीद लूंगा माँ। I will buy it there माँ। I will buy it there माँ। वहां इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। There won't be need of it there. There won't be need of it there. वो अपने परिवार से दूर जा रहा है। He is going away from his family. He is going away from his family. वहां सिर्फ कुछ ही लोग हैं। There are only a few people there. There are only a few people there. अगर मैंने तुम्हें दुख पहुंचाया हो तो मुझे माफ करना। Forgive me if I hurt you. Forgive me if I hurt you. अब कहाँ जाना है? Where to go now? Where to go now? तुम थोड़े पागल हो क्या? Are you crazy a little bit? Are you crazy a little bit? ये उसके लिए है, तुम्हारे लिए नहीं। This is for her, not you. This is for her, not you. क्या तुमको मैथ समझ में आता है? Do you understand math? Do you understand math? घबराओ मत, ये इतना डरावना नहीं है। Don't panic, it is not that horrible. Don't panic, it is not that horrible. उससे मत डरो। Don't be afraid of him. Don't be afraid of him. मैं यहाँ बिल्कुल अकेला हूँ। I am all alone here. I am all alone here. मुझे उसका बोलने का तरीका पसंद नहीं है। I don't like the way he speaks. I don't like the way he speaks. मैं अभी इसके लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ। I am not ready yet for that. I am not ready yet for that. तुम कभी भी यहाँ आ सकती हो। You can come here at any time. You can come here at any time. उसे ये पैसे दे देना। Please give her this money. Please give her this money. मेरी चाबियां ढूंढने में मेरी मदद कर दो। Please help me find my keys. तुम वहां जाने पर क्यों तुले हुए हो? Why are you bent on going there? Why are you bent on going there? मैं जाने ही वाला था। I was about to go. I was about to go. मैंने अपना वादा निभाया। I kept my promise. I kept my promise. इस बोतल के अंदर क्या है? What is there inside this bottle? What is there inside this bottle? लगता है उसके पास कलम नहीं है। It seems that he does not have a pen. It seems that he does not have a pen. लगता है तुम्हारे पास दिमाग नहीं है। You seem to have no brain. You seem to have no brain. तुम कहाँ जाते हो? Where do you go? Where do you go? रिया की बहन कहाँ जा रही है? Where is Riya's sister going? Where is Riya's sister going? वो किस शहर से आया था? From which city had he come? फ्रॉम विच सिटी हैड ही कम? उस लड़के को ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why does that boy think so? Why does that boy think so? वो कभी कभी मेरे घर आता है. He sometimes comes my home. He sometimes comes my home. तुम वहां कब तक रुकोगे? For how long will you stay there? For how long will you stay there? वो वहां से नहीं आया है. He has not come from there. He has not come from there. तुम किसके बारे में सोचते हो? Whom do you think about? Whom do you think about? हम एक बार वहां गए थे. We had gone there once. We had gone there once. राहुल मुश्किल से ही कभी मेरे घर आता है. राहुल hardly comes my home. राहुल hardly comes my home. उसने करने की कोशिश भी नहीं की. He did not even try to do. He did not even try to do. वो अधिकतर सुमित के साथ खेलता है. He mostly plays with Sumit. He mostly plays with Sumit. इससे अधिक खुशी की बात क्या हो सकती है? What could be happier than this? What could be happier than this? मैं जानता था तू यही कहेगा. I knew you would say that. I knew you would say that. क्या बकवास कर रहे हो तुम? What crap are you talking? What crap are you talking? मैं चाहता हूं आप सब मेरा साथ दें. I want you all to support me. I want you all to support me. पूरा है ना? Is this all of it? Is this all of it? मैंने तुम्हें सब बता दिया था. I had told you everything. I had told you everything. तुमने अभी मेरे बारे में क्या कहा? What you just said about me? What you just said about me? मैंने उससे मदद नहीं मांगी. I did not ask for help to him. I did not ask for help to him. मैंने उसे तुम्हारे बारे में सब कुछ बता दिया. I told him everything about you. I told him everything about you. मैंने पहले पूछा. I asked first. I asked first. खरीदने का ये सही समय नहीं है. It is not a good time to buy. It is not a good time to buy. वो हमेशा अपनी चीजों में व्यस्त रहता है. He is always busy with his stuff. मैं कुछ भी करने को तैयार हूं. I am ready to do just anything. I am ready to do just anything. क्या मैं कल तक सबमिट कर सकती हूँ? May I submit by tomorrow? May I submit by tomorrow? आज आखिरकार हम एक दूसरे से मिले। टुडे वी फाइनली मेट ईच अदर। टुडे वी फाइनली मेट ईच अदर। वो घर के बाहर खड़ा था। He was standing outside the house. He was standing outside the house.